Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any Android smartphones or tablets perform various tasks simply by using our voice. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Panda Automate with Voice. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you need to either log in with your Google account or you can log in with your respective email address by sending an OTP. So I'm gonna use the continue with Google login. Now just allow all the permission, grant permission. Just click on this grant permission, click on accept, click on this install apps. Now just click on this Panda accessibility service. Just turn it on, click on allow, move back. Once again, click on this grant permission, click on while using the app. Once again, click on this grant permission. Now just enable this Panda option, move back. Once again, click on this grant permission, click on allow. Once again, click on this open assistant settings, click on this digital assistant app, select the Panda, move back. Now you're all done. So at the bottom you will see various options here. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every option. I'll directly jump to the topic. So now you can see here, ready tap delta to wake me up. So you have to tap inside this triangle here in order to activate this application. So let me click on it. Open YouTube and search iPhone 17. So you can see it's working perfectly. Whatever I'm saying, it's performing that task. Similarly, if you want to perform more tasks, just click on this triangle button again to activate the application, and after that you can make your Android smartphone perform various tasks just by using your respective voice. So by using this cool application named as Panda Automate with Voice, you can easily make any Android smartphones or tablets perform various tasks simply by using our voice. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.